Look at this bird, the most darkest bird in this Kenya. She eats seeds, insects, but mostly insects. She is the most blackest. Look, even inside the mouth, and she want to pick me. She want to hit me with her beak, but hey, I don't want to harm her. She entered my house today. I said I should take a video. Her video, just like that. A clear one. The most darkest bird in this world. Everywhere black. And it's powerful because I had seen her fight other birds. They cannot fight this big. So I just wanted to share this video with you because she is the most blackest bird in Africa I have ever seen. I have ever touched. Black everywhere, even inside the mouth. Look. Her tongue too is black. This is what we call black power. A black bird everywhere. She feeds herself with insects and seeds, mostly insects.